Um, good evening to you guys from here. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? And good morning from you guys in Nigeria and from other part of the world. Mana they are on their time zone. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. Kambapi also. I just want to round up with the video. I was the live I was doing earlier. So you can see I went for an appointment doing that live. Crazy. I went to appointment doing that live and I couldn't concentrate. And talking about the interview, I just calmed down to, go through that interview. Though I watched Chahom Hancha, but I just calm. Or should I hold my mic? I want you to mic him marker. Can you guys hear me? Let me just drop my mic here. Humble the man, I greet you. Assumpta, I see you. Good evening from here. How is Italy? I always remember where you reside. Yeah. Italy is one of the countries I'll always visit in the future. Joyce Imosu. Ekwara Chinemerem. Ude Kwechinenye. Esther Emezu. Okay, Assumpta has confirmed that she can hear me. Please share this live once you join me, because earlier these people they report my life. How can we hear the car? They on the engine room na wam. Na life name moga na so many people na report here. Can we hear the can they on a engine room eba na happy eba na if you are sending me notification again can live safe. Now I report to live video name. You see me here report to my live video. The Chineke ya boku. So you guys should always share the live so that their reporting will not have any effect on the live. Ken Kosi Nadeka Bara. I see you. Jennifer Osai, Geneka Ifechuku Favor Lydia Chioma Eke Ocha Chitena Abo Dike. I see you all. So the thing is, like I said, with what I observe, no, let me not use the words with what I observe, because if I come out to say that Namamaho, what the whole thing has been from the one, then that means I'm lying. So from the one, I knew where the gang up is coming from. And I'm able all these things like I know where they are pointing at indirectly. Why doing all those things? In a case of this Mirabel, like I said in my video earlier, that lady will be Berima. I'm making a contact. I'm waiting number lock you do private number so that I will speak with him. Kamaru Kosi make his own journalism, be activist or whatever. It's more only the educated, because sometimes when he speak, you know that at least now I'm at final. But some of these things, especially in Kone, merely listen to you lately. Mbam bam 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 bam. Also, Because now a lady came to your platform to narrate he was again no US for years, media since 2019. And after everything, this lady go again this person is in Nigeria now. You didn't make any effort to at least hear from that person. You didn't make any of, like, make your own investigation or use good common sense again. Because sometimes when people are trying to tell you some certain things, you make use of your own common sense. But I will come to that. Where I want to start from is the statement that Mirabel make, that Akozion came to Igbo to bail Ogechi Njaka. Meanwhile, Akozion never visited that place. If you go to that interview, she stated that Akozion came to Igbo, a one powerful man or something like that, came to Igbo to bail Ogechi Njaka. Meanwhile, Ako was never there. Kede ko si mana Akozion bail Ogechi? For you to see that what is playing out now behind a feed there on. He had the honor to script derede. And that script, you guys mandated that script. Akozion never visited Igbo. Matter of fact, or not in Anambra State, Ogiheni and Ada. Ako was very far away. You know, and he's now mentioning the name of Ako and also trying to drag Zion ministry into it. K connection the between Akozion and Zion ministry na ihe hamiru na 2019. And Oge mere Ogechi arrest. Oge had been kidnapped here, because as far as I'm concerned, Obo arrested here when they came to kidnap her from her hotel room. Akpamwa na akpo J Park na Orilanya. All he born a claim no how I made the arrest. They are the ones na Habiago J Park and orders from above. Orders from above. Orilanya na amacha. Take him away. Yes, take him away. Capture their life. This woman ebugo many people na Igbo. J-Park na ba no orders from above. Or how I may arrest. Now on that interview, Mirabel stated that no may arrest n'Ugbo abi o may arrest ko bata Nigeria kpoje ya n'Ugbo. So kidizi onye meru the arrest or the orders from above ko between Utobo Nabo ko the Mirabel. When I'm trying to analyze this whole thing, you need to use your brain. Because I'm trying to arrive on the reason why in Jisuna all these things in a play out now, scripted, or gang up. And then with many lies and a cook. Now join all these things. You guys should share this live. I think I report to and has a report to you earlier. So that Facebook will start flagging it. Share this live. Just be sharing it. It doesn't matter any share of food, bro. Keep sharing it. And when I'm stating all those things, you need to use your common sense. Don't not this. I see you. I'm okay, mother. I also see you. I see all of you. The reason why I said that niheni na nemena deka iha abu scripted derede we gang up. And all these things saying are for ebeni na nemi ha ruaka is Zion ministry. If not, kedu ka that Mirabel si se na ha kozayon bia n'ukpo we bel oge echi. Okwa ono n'ukpo die. Also ha nokwa na that station that day. Also kweja Abuja. Na amwari omatu. Oni ana agbaka okpaka. From no akobia n'ukpo or wish I could never visited there. Or are there that on a road to Zion ministry, this Zion ministry. Meanwhile, the J-Park and the Urilanya, na macho guy, no how I made the arrest, others from above. Ojena interview, Yasino Yama, behavioral arrest. One powerful man, I bear bail lawyer out from her. Then, Kachineke si apo hoku, kirefu no we kisi package ya ase no wa. Onwe hono ni si package nwa ase no wa. Ke gali ime mistake. In that same interview, he stated that na onyo resifonia bihe wuru di nude, were or do whatever. Why only resifonu gi? Ye ja choko woru your noodles no na phone gi use against you. Then secondly, you as a lady, emani mumazi. Esila ana mumazi genka, mumazi gine menka ana akpari ha na school. Kidi he noodles no na phone game. Why are you keeping all those things? Give me KGM. Because some of you out there are not asking the main question you should be asking. You are just carried away by emotions and the crocodile tears. What dear boy, I see you. You know, some of you are being carried away with emotions and you are not asking the right question. Obu gonna also see you. Onye kpọrọ onwe ya a married lady or a widow or whatever, ịmụ ụmụazị boys gbagotegonu ka ihe noodles nọ na phone ga-eme. Then onwe ihe dị iche na mmadụ, for those of you na feel comfortable iwolu ị na-eme noodles business. Or let's send the gonna have meet online your noodles. Only he buna okay. After like he claimed no for phone always onya ka noodles ya no nime. Onya we would ya use here. And when you talk about those noodles also no nime phone, obuhofu, obuhebo, obuheto, obuheno, obuhisi, obuhisi, obuesa. In case the godomo at the 17 in number. Let's just say that no, that 17 send him be here on a phone here. Kidi gine guy jigideru. Iji nwuru up to 17 different style of noodles na phone. If I thought he me here noodles, he send the guy. Ofu ebu adigo enough or kapo eto. Ofu ebu or maybe eto adigo enough. Mani hi geji ama no onye na azu ahia noodles, no onye ji noodles erini. But those multiple noodles no na phone ya is that no many of them na phone ya. They buy more common sense, and we are easily carried away by emotions. Ihe geji ama na onya like all normal thing o na-eme. Ine enye ụmụ nwoke noodles ka wachiche send ya dị ego. Ka ihe more than like, moi no même 17. Nine ina ichoso choki eme umi. Kiye more than 10 on a phone game. More than 10. Then ana agwa look you do this thing. Look you do ana batia. Even me expect it or jua juju or chohi jua juju. Because no they be crocodile tears. They be Kiyefukwaka ekwensucha si apohoko. According to her, she stated that no one who received that phone, the person he sold the phone to, saw the noodles and was using it against her. Then when they called Harrison said that no one any phone ko dozie be dosicha phone for those noodles n'ime phone ah. Oburugo okunab. Because the person known as Dioku from day one or from them, but Harrison. Of which no nkokuru be make it to sense. Obonke ekperima Mirabel ku na interview look you do. The lady stated that no one received the noodles. Uru the noodles when you gauge and use against her. But when they caught Harrison, Harrison stated that no one jenye phone ko dozieru be follow the noodles from the phone. Or he geja choptana, whatever that is playing out now, bo ihe agwaro that ekperima Mirabel ko na-ekwu or scripted de wenya. Si angwani kuyona, si non kame, because Hamana Nigerians they very daft. Hamana and they buy the very daft. I don't believe. And they couple with that majority of these people are like Ozel ministry or anybody not associated with Ozel ministry. I say we are like this, you put you like this, Ogaga. Okay. All these things if we play out. They play out. Agwa Lucky accepted immediately, make a judgment. Ne could they no guidance ego. And I want when you recovered, I will raise, you will come and try to support you on your business. He support to Ekperima. He support to Ekperima. He deserve any help. As far as I'm concerned, Mirabel, I deserve any help in this life. We only ya one actual not raise Mirabel, I go Chineke ga onya ahoko. Because I can help others. Open no choko help others. Oku aka head. Obuna that Mirabel with conscience and not choko aka her fellow widows. We take their own help. Just like we no get you help where. Okay, they will that 500,000 with with happiness. See, okay, like send their news buzbu or tina can't tia so I can help others. But no, he gave mano a greedy human being that deserves no help or could cheat the money. Before you know it, you start making trouble out of it. She started making trouble out of it. Pariwonya ahu. G platform ya will lend that help. Mabiaka. See I don't way whole game. Emana one of if most of people who go today. Ihe buru how egwa mad no way he game. If most of people ihe me go today, what by them is you can't do anything. Do that thing each on him. Yeah, each on him a mayor. Yeah, each on him a mayor. The same person na-abụọkwa n'oge makpọrọ n'ọnya makpọrọ gị na-asị gị afa ka ihe na-eme ịkọrịa family problem gị. Osi ewo, okay, don't worry, I will try to assist you with my platform. I will try to do this one with your platform, this and that, and this and that. Okay, ihe mkpa isi na need ego na solve ya isi no 300,000 or 400,000. We push we go up. It's not easy. Na people because help all pneumonia because help all pneumonia people are egegent. Before you put out one madu help all pneumonia people egegent man those people trust again. Just know that those people believed in you that they need deliver. And the man able to go a lot of things with those people. He built to get a standard. He built to go many things with those people before they will listen to you. They go this. Now they raise that money. Fanny Kariamoke. They raise that money times 2 of what you needed. Then knowing fully well, no we call that people no in that position. Need the help like you. Asigo keba orega adigona. Mwa utezienu nka keji nyodas. Gejo kwechiri. So ya no we ho game. Parebia. I believe ukwana kwa ndiji onu ojo gị. Onu kpaka weje paria gwa many things. Yerukwa those your irritating video and picture we be drop na comment section Ogechi. Yama chocha nebo ya no we mekata gị ihe. O jiri kwa piawa gazu. Because onwe onye obi a na-eri nse. Onwe onye ọ ga we say na ọ ga just say thank you, don't mention ngwa gaba o jiri ya gaba. Now some people are saying that he should have leave the money for her. Always after my life, I saw people sending me message. You know, because say happen this one, that one, nkaji menke emeho. Ndini na name ihe Kiana body herself or kwa NGO ko activists. Amarmun ke most of them na rosy 2 in 1. Ufodo na activist mo NGO. Ufodo most of them they afugo a lot of them is chakwaru people ego onwe ki ihe si mo ga of ma say okay ngwa si na ego ahụ other people need such help onwe kwe mpa di una. For those of you na blame oge that why oji cho sekwani ebe on ego erugo 1 million ya wote 5 on half of the money kg help others. Oh normal thing others na eme. It's not a bad thing. Because a lot of people need the help. Onye ona nwe page ya ghọta ihe nna ekwu. Help ahụ na feel ni need. Enwe hundreds of other people who need it. Enwe people who need it more than you. Sometimes on eme Ncholi may give away. Like last month may give away. Mbasi okay, actually me 50,000. I'm may go nke last month. Actually me 50,000 may give away. On my own. My kind of person. And what madam I like any people who change. My kind of person, I always decide okay, just can't get the money on our maybe 100,000, nyonya 50, nyonya 50, or maybe can ya ozeno, nyonya 25, nyonya 25, nyonya 20, nyonya 25. But to mbia people who need it, even people who need it at least 2K. Haji go do ni like haji go do T-card. Oh, you had a business or oh, marry buy yesiwe choderi bread. Mbiafucha comment message symbols mbiasimba instead of you rega anye madebo or madeto come go to tia so that ka extend there to others. If you know it ma bia took away the money. Okay, 5k, 10k, 10k, 5k. That help if no jiginono. Anyway, more than hundreds of people also nke had the worse than your own, knocking at the same inbox. Erase enough. What is it? It share others. Ike siniga hemi nego people nyergi nego people nagi ko ndi your generation nyergi now that platform onya could you raise that money? I don't even want to go to the angle of na osirasi no we widow. I tried to make an angle of that side that she lied. No, a widow call a Berimana Germany. I see you. I tried to make an to the angle of that side because hold on, actually says it's not equal that equal. I want that Mirabel. Ebuchia etufoki. We Berima call issue kwa de here no. And there are a lot of people are using her now. A lot of people in a Fidiana. All this garbage on her vomit. I don't even want to go to the angle of that. She lied that's not a widow. Meanwhile, she's not a widow. I told me Joe side that. You know, let's say, or go the guy, raise the money. What is it to have? Okay, let's just say, okay, no widow call. Can I just pretend they are no widow call? Let's just pretend no widow call. Manage platform ya raise ego more than a green that is to figure his need to solve your problem. I think we take go, we take half of that money. KG extend that to other widows. Gauge, it's simple. They gave me and cow your personal money. People raise it. Okay, here Meru, some of these NGO are be Indian solicited for help for people online. GT their own personal account. Okay, case like this. Oh, a case like this. Meru, some of these people who name me. Oh, she asked Oge for 100k and Oge raised over $1 million plus. You can imagine. You can imagine. You watch that lady, everything about her lies and deceit. Like, I don't even know what to use to qualify her. Or something like this, Meru, the NGO activists JJ their own account. Harris Jegal, he need that actual amount he needed to solve your problem. You know? Nigga ask him, okay, what's your really 500,000? Okay, 25, what's your call? On that big woman ego. Or Chonina the woman ego dear. Or see the woman tia account here. It will account to the woman na ego. Okay, not choka or percentage. Or half account to kia. Or would account to the woman. Katie the way na ego. You know if you name me this their NGO or whatever activism or whatever. So it is a mad ego. So nya who account to kiati. Man who nya be very sincere. What they call people somebody like Okuro. Buachi rezigego or sigi ura account nkegiti unya onwe ho unya had the middle still for business aspect of it or for percentage or whatever aspect of it. We start with the truth. I am delivering from here, so I greet you. You know, all these things, some of them didn't name all those things. They come Matthias, many people. Even my Harrison one may claim innocent. account ha ka ha ji ala ego and they have my ha na-ebuba. You for some of these people that say actually even fundraising where account ha ti I say onye ani dị nka una aneti ubone ka many of them potassium ni a total of amount anakota for this person who raise ego. They can never come out to say it because people need more than enough. People need more than enough. And though that particular one, those people have they go needy, kagenya. Ha, gurundozo meko siso. Most of them ne mecha na adiche ego logistics. Asigi ego fuel, ji jere menka, aga ejije police station, aga ejije for register, aga ejije for nka be ego NGO, eji maintenance, moto eji agari, all those things. I will see a percentage nega ha ga raise rigi. I much on a business ya si aga na. I am on a business ya si aga. Ndo tu Matthias. Jibo love themselves. And I to go na to that. Then go see eri akondo. And they donate here. Wake up tagotion na here I go near go for this woman actually made surgery. Or here we go near go for only actually help. Let them come out and say it and break their statement of we are Barachibo Ugaho. I think 2022 or 2021. The apprentice his account statement to prove his innocency. Obaka amu skibe kuo tai onye nke akuo tai. Oya print ya na kunu fuego ne ha na ebuba. Take a very dark man as an example. Kunu fu millions onego si abata na the NGO account. Ona ko si atop steady. Onye nke ahụ dị transparent. Oya mere oji name everything una anafu. All this one so map tata na form NGO na form innocent emenka kaije police Abuja dey case ugburu ndị ka ha nwa chọrọ ireziri mmadụ ego si onye ngwa uru na akaụntụ unu ti kere ezero na ego gịnị dara egbe igwe na Harrison mana ebe ha atụghị ebe nchọrọ ije. For those of you now say, okay, want to actually na 5%, 500,000, would you again? That Mirabel will know an ungrateful human being. Ungrateful human being. Oh, that Mirabel. And will deserve for any help. Onyo de ka lock you do make attack. Don't worry, before Chianef, his private number. Kama onwe na agbo ya n'ishi. Kama mama like onwezi ihe ọ na-esira nke ikpeazụ a. Agwa gị na-ereziri mmadụ ego chi na onye a percentage. Ị nọrọkwa dị onye adagwa gị na akaụntụ ya ka ego bata. You dey use your common sense. The lady or choriri 500,000 or whatever from that Mirabel always see our account to Nkiati kana Diego. It's all unnecessary questions. You question ejo. How far? It just will make a judgment. Conclude. And some of you and ndị buy ịchọ ha na-enweta ndị buy jiri emotional blackmail so ha na-ebe akwa na-eme if ndị buy ha dị carried away immediately. Ndị buy ịchọrọ inweta ha jiri ihe emotional ihe most of these people ji money na-eme all this thing oh, because of Zion ministry. Yeah, script they corner art recently. That Mirabel, take it or leave it. Or script they. Koko for those agafuna abono na ako na sia kuya like this. If not, Kedu kusi mana Akuzayon bia ukpo we bia bed oge, because as far as I'm concerned, Akuzayon abia ukpo. Kedu ihe gbasazi Zion ministry na case ya? Gini ka eji adozi na akwa Zion, akwa ya akụ. I told you guys last time that ịchọ ka ehet ya go on social media, ịchọ ka inwe big enemy, nwa support Zion ministry, nwa support anything that has to do with Zion ministry, nke ga agwụgo. Ịchọ ka inwe big ndị iro support anything that has to do with Zion ministry. Ọ bụrụ na oge na J-Park na governor enweghị any fallout, this thing will not come up na Ezugo, I greet you, good morning my brother. This thing they will never come out. All because of that fallout. Then those ụmụ ekperimama go na ha enweghị any case with oge, eje weki wezie ndị ha feel na onwe one or two things ha na ha mere oge a. Even my Harrison, one hand the part of this script they knew on her art. Forget your number on her phone, and I say, 219, yeah, she came to me and do this one and do that one. Oh my, now that lady, no, it rock you do. You know we are around. Maybe Chineke suppose ya ma Harrison or Kona or after her. The lady we may go interview. See na oh no receive phone. Be here. Wuru Noodles ya wee na-ekenere akpọzi Harrison si na onye ji enye fonu ka o dozie bụ ihe ewepụ the Noodles ka ezi onye nke anyị ga-ebelieve ihe ga-eji ama na efuru ibe ọnwụ na a na-asị asị ọnwụ na pakeji na-asị a ga-emeri mistake. Script bụ ihe dị Mirabel na ndị otu ya na art ọ ihe a na-agwa ya na-ekwu ngwa kwuo ya like this. Onye si no receive phone wuru Noodles ya wee nye oge me akpọzi Harrison say na the lady bịa n'ọfịs ya wee gwu ya na onye enye phone ka o dozie gị nwa ụlọ ka udu okpo ị na-atụ n'isi ebe kwesịrị ịjụ ajụjụ. How can the buy say me here all this their activism or whatever? Ebe kwesịrị ọwụ na onye dị ka mụ a ona adale de sem na no onye resi phone na relief market wuru Noodles ya resi oge menka then oge mbia kpọ Harrison say no na the lady si na no onye phone ka ọrụzie bụ ihe wuru Noodles. M ga-ajụ the lady, m ga-ajụ na camera alpha na nke ikwu na nke ka Harrison kwuru kezi nke onye anyị ga-eso. Because it's not making any sense to me. Kezi nke onye a ga-eso uji uche wọta na ihe a ha na-ekuku up because no na-eme na-ebe akwa ihu ya dịka ihu enwe ihe ga-eji ama na onye ushi ekperi ma ọjọọ. Ọ na-eme na ọ dị traumatize o mere nke a ọ dị enwetazi onwe ya ọ na-eme ka dọkịta na suggest dị ngwa ka therapist ka ehepụ ya eme omeloka mention na-emecha ọ dị onwe ka ihe si dị ha amazi ka esi were ezie rie ego. Ọ sị na onwekwa ihe na-eme ya na ọ dị mma ya ọ nọ with herself ọnụgo na ọka erezi ego. Ọ sị mba she's fine. Look ya na ha grab nka ya nna ya kpọsigo m ndị ya achọrọ m private contact ya ka m bitu ya uche ka o nwee uche ka ihe niile asị aga ka ha gara use ya because ha na-achị use ya now and this chair is not taking ona ihe ozuzu with that lady nke Uganda amazing Kenya I think stand to be corrected Kenya sina Kubara chief whatever people may drag you on and keep as well. If care is not taken, or na case here because he's not asking important question or they carried away by her emotions. Look, you do the carried away by that her crocodile tears on ebe. Or do you unnecessary question or question? That means Nihe niile the Mirabel ekperimari Mirabel gwara ya na okwetego ojo hajo like ojo so kwete no na akosede. Ojo odi care of good from the other person. And that means na the lady is stated that na no onye o receive phone were noodles ya we nere. Then Harrison now said no onye ejenye phone koro were noodles ya nere. That means what you do is okay with those two different statements. That means what they okay with those two different statements. She failed to join immediately. Alpha, why are you saying the other thing? And Harrison is saying the other thing. If I phone, buy for Niger. And I say, in Nigeria, they come me again. Come fear. Here now, script. Eder, nenye si de Mirabel. Yawa ka ana front to zinihu. Then, ha na wake is your das. You know, I could remember that time I was talking with Ako Zion. Ako no the Anambra State to start with. So ke ku se maro na Ako bia no ukpo we bia bell oge. Kizi he gbasa Zion ministry ni ihe niile ha na-aga ana drag Zion na Ako into all these things. O ihe ndị nọ na Ako na agwụ ya ka ọ na-ekwu na nke ikpeazụ. Because they never like Zion ministry or anybody. Uno put a high sin or case support nkega Google. Now we're enemies today because none support Zion ministry. Umwezi. Umndri na mona hanem. Umwe gapta sigi na onka media. Obodo ye oge. Na support umena na buze eziokwu this one that one or na oge akpa ma na J Park na governor mapu from Ako n'oge bia ha na ha join like na side ha. All this issue can never come up, but all because not stand there against what the indirect talks when ha see ado Ako Zion na ku many things. Like a haji bido fire beer. Not knowing that anyways they know that oge wonyo biakpo oga agwa gi ihe we nwe ikiro bege kwodo. And that's what many of you on this social media deserve. Because you can't come to my platform and start opening your gutter mouth na agwa m ko si soge. You know, all the same thing now, J Park they make it always what are they calling is post your people screenshot to send the album na WhatsApp. Obviously, one man also want to dash me his Rolls Royce. But I told him no, that is not yet time. Evangelist Ebuka was the person that made that comment on I think last 2 weeks. No way, we actually go your private jet or say I'm by you know, something like that. She's not trying to use it indirect way to mock him. O make it that post and I monyo na agwa. I monyo na abare. O ye ho na emo ga. Hana akunwe fall out. Audio binolia. This one, that one, this one, that one. And I see zuikeju. Eba koku ha n'oge si bido. And ihe niile a na-emekwu na bukwa that ihe gbasara Akwa Zion ka na-atụ all this okuta na-atụ. About the personally about oge. All ihe gbasara kwa Akụ na Zion all this gang up ka na-ederi script niile a na-ede na-eti ya ngwa no ya nwa na-eme nka kwe ya no nka mee nka anyị ga-egosi ya anyị ga-eme ya nka. See our people enweghị uche. People enweghị uche. You see our people, ndị banye na think, ndị banye ka no ebetere aka in terms of thinking and reasonings. Ihe niile ahụ ume na that interview, garbage, rubbish, lies upon lies. ọ bụ na normal noodle ka ị chọrọ, normal noodles ka ị chọrọ inye whoever, ka ihe 17 nke mụ ajigodu nọ na phone game different style. O gosiri ị na-ere ya ere, o gosiri na ahịa noodles ka ị na-azụ na if at all no nwe oigi or whatever, at least 2-3 is enough, but 17 different. You may say delete, you watch delete, and them and each room na anu di na anu nwanne di gi. You na claim no widow kewo, ana afota gas widow. Meanwhile na kuchi ga kuchi, ị na anu nwanne di gi. Okay, na anu nwanne di gi jiri ụmụ, ị ka na azụ ahịa noodles, ị ka dowe noodles na phone gi. Inwe boys, inwe children, gbagote no say like ịma na aga eji nka. Ị na-hapụ noodles n'ime phone gi. Okay, what if no maazị gị jekwe na phone gi jefu that noodles one day? People are not asking the right question kwesị ka ha na-ajụ. What if no maazị gị ahụ na-eme na people na-akparị ha na school, people na-eme ha nka. Ka ebe onye hụ na ajịzukwe na phone gị wee for those things. Gị nwa wee responsible woman. Ọ maka na ịdọ ka mma gị ji wee nwụọ. Ọ maka na ịdọ ka ndị be di gị ji chụpụ gị. Ọ maka dị n'ịdọ ka people sị gị abịazila afịa ka people adịghị egozi gị afịa. Ọ maka na ịdọ ka iji chọrọ ịnwụ sniper. Ọ maka na ịdọ ka iji wee mee nka. Ọ maka na ịdọ ka iji wee mee nka. Ọ na-eme gị ka ezi ihe ọkpọ ya sef, ọ na-traumatize gị. Na nke ikpeazụ a ka ihe niile a na-eme gị. All has ya kwuo, as far as I'm concerned, all has ya kwuo, all scripted the way nya ka oji eje. The same person on a live video ya, I think 2 weeks ago. Now wakashi ono. No na akode more from my own. Many of her voice note ana atonom. Monye nke one lady on ayoka ya na eme ihe ndị ọkpọ ntu. Ka a na-eme ihe ndị ịrụ nwaanyị aka n'ike. Ka a na-exchange kwa ụmụ ihe. You guys know what I'm talking about. A na-exchange kwa ihe. That woman rụrụ arụ for those of you that don't know her. If that woman ọ rụrụ arụ. They have been sending me a lot of things about her. People that I don't know. A lot of things about her is coming in. That's why some of you now say, noodles here. Let her come and explain. Let her can your own noodles. Na phone give your noodles. All the same people maybe in the fall out. We drop all those things. Those people kwa hii nisikwedia gina hana azụ ahịa ndị so inwe ihe gwara ha mere ha ji fuka gina isi agbakashi ọnụ na challenge anti ogi ha bịakwa drop all those things then. You know, okay, unu feel na social media will joke. Some of you feel na social media will joke. You guys thought that social media will joke, especially onye na-emetu ọfụma na page ya. What try ya blow name anyhow bia pata any kind of issue with somebody. Be somebody from nowhere gabia will things about you. Get drop or a lot of people got drop things about you. Obronye onye only a won't say that Mirabel as well. Only a won't say. We saharono semna nejire na alachi ikpu ndo ụmụ nwanyị agadi nwanyị ndị ọcha. Ọ gwụsị ihe na-ewe iwe about her. Unu menchite that thing, unu ewe kacha ma ahụ. And all the people believed her. Then at that comment, na drag him, na dey rubbish about me. You are getting traumatized, this one, that one. Not happy, you know, they feel overjoyous. people will not talk nkokuru or kihese me no nka hijiziwe we react ya ka ha ga-ejide aka sechasị na mwo nwa boy oge na nna atọ oge o kwuchara ya iti ijego na-ebe crocodile tears ọwụ na m bụ that kind of person na nwere ku onye ahụ kwu that day si ewe m iwe buru that 17 of those noodles and video about her ha send them tụsasị everywhere n'ihu akwụkwọ ọdaba ha amakwu ndị police emezi under law because ha mana nke ahụ law, you know. But somebody like me, you can never hold me like this with any words or anything under law. But I can do me media. If do me from as a professional pure radio station. But most of these people, how they push you to the wall, how they push you to the extent of imari how he get me. Because how man again I no ebeteraka. Then emezie emapta ojimubugo kwego ebugo gi nka esendigo nka mana okonye isi ya ihe onu ga eme ya me. I dare you to go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Obugo many people in this life. Onwere hi ga eme. Onwere hi ga eme. Ihe onu choro ime ga me ya. He don't buy many people in this life. People have been sending me message. Don't support her. Don't need to support her. You don't know her. Kedo nyobo na mahia. Actually, 500k the woman. A fake NGO. Be messaging now for her. But all of you are here, always seeing many widows. Ana agụ afia na egwu, hane toya na eme you could last time abia we gbawasi ebe ahụ we zuko machine niile has. You see how sad those widows were on camera. Maybe a fake NGO, but you are clearly seeing, acting as if they're blind. You know when we will know these people now. Some of them their like $1. Nobody have benefited from them before. Some of these people here. And some of these people are just hatred because of their and their also. That's why some of them when you keep talking about me like this, or me here like this, or me this, or me here like this. But you see that Mirabel, only one I achieve 2 ago, or don't worry, I will still try to get lucky, or less na me emote here. And then we put on full post to I say to Diego, I will make video against that post who deserve for help. You see that Mirabel who deserve for that help because he don't want others to be helped also. Obu no ochorka help like ona ezigbo mmadu one help do ga chwaka other widows na takwa afu narakwa their own help by you wopte that 500k as ya wopte ka eji extend it to others. Ebe ona 1 isigas na ebu widow bi nwa ebu he widow 2 ego ni diri enwetere gi times 2 or multiple times. We take some Kenya another widow. Okay, extend it to some people who didn't take market. You actually could share the money. See the ego mona get or get. Kumunegi. And you look you do. Someone came to your studio or whatever, your platform, to explain those things to you. You had it and you didn't ask proper questions. You that always ask questions. Most of the people you have brought to your platform so far, I always see them. You ask them some key questions. What happened here? How did this one happen? How did this one happen? You failed to ask that lady a proper question. You should have asked her. And after he even narrated some certain things, I was even expecting you to tell her, you didn't do well this side though. But maybe she went too far. At least a man will need to go to sincere in your life. When you need to judge things now. You didn't do well this side though. But you accepted everything she said. The lie, the different statement she made from the one Harrison made, you also accepted it. That means now go look you do, you don't they change. Or they can compromise. Look you do, it's like they are kind of trying to. Because I was expecting you to ask some necessary questions. Okay, you said somebody you sold the phone saw the noodle and say it. Then Harrison said somebody you gave the phone to repair saw the. Why are you guys making two different statements? Romantic or not here? Harrison young man now form no my name I just boy I am a child all those things and I just gay and you try to remember the woman immediately. Remember him since 2019. Remember her house gave me. I was even expecting Harrison cause I wish all the woman you know that 2025 she team me 2019 immediately she take her hand in see he na he no go off camera born her phone may arrange. I am on all those things here Ghana. Everything about me industry. I will not do things yaga. Because na ginogi ngwe a little distance. Amamoge ihe gbasaro egbu igwe dakwa. Akokwa ya. Afaga abatakwa all those things. Our people. If our people, some of them were busy reporting my live video. They all come with the notification. Now I report my live video guy. Why are they reporting my live video? Why? Kiaja report on here. From the buy, because I say, an Igbo guy, this one, that one, akoko na-egwu. Gaji on that Mirabel ka ihe mmedi ya oji sem na oji we na agwa ndị mmadụ no ikpu ndị agadi nwanyị obode no ndị dị young no ikpu ndị agadi nwanyị ka nna alacha no ihe na arụ na Canada no mụ na agadi nwanyị bi na agadi nwanyị na azụ m nne na nna atọ oge o kwuchara ya John ya why oji we make such statement imana since you could that thing, had him traumatized since you could make such statement. In fact, I don't think he can use a sniper because you could not see him now. You know, John, you don't want to support here. Why you support this? John, you will make you do statement or chokambu him. All of those things is enough to buy me. Obuguzo. Come and you're expecting me not to react. I can't batia. Chineke gabunu chani no. Okay, for no chani ni Chineke gabunu uncle. Especially when I bet them. Why is about this one, that one? I am able those things, Bido. Like I always say, I don't care. Whatever I want to see no game. I don't fucking care. Unu chogoro si no bera amu Zion. Unu cho si no wonyo kotor amu woti ane like this on Facebook. I don't care. Obasahom. Whatever you guys like. Si no me omegunka. It's none of my business. But if for all this one so na aga like this, only na si aga. We pin here. Because I'm ndị nọ n'akụ na-epush all those things. Anyị ma ndị nọ n'akụ na-epush all those. Ha nwa mana ha pụta direct kọọ dị ọgbọ nwunye ha ya akọta. Ifuru ụmụ ekperima na-abụ ụmụ utobu a. O nwere nke nọ na motia last time they can. Some of them I don't have their time. I don't have much energy to waste on them. Also, these two people, I went to a big business with. This man na about Jena 5,003. This year be kubushi on na Facebook. Oh hey boy kama ne fuel all distance. All those ones who are not touched from nowhere. Man na about drop or link, about tearing video watch and all those ones under gaga good now. Manifru ekperima na akpọ JPAC with a governor eziokwu na-emeke ihe na nwa all ha nwa nọ na push all those things na-ewe kicha ndị niile up otenu petition ngwa na ihe ị ga-ekwu kwuo ya like this kwuo ya like this if not Mirabel omonya na akpọ Akụzayon ka o si ma na ọ bịara okpo Akụzayon ọ bịara okpo kedu ihe gbasazi ministry n'okwu a ọ ihe a na-agụ ya kwuo na-ekwu. But some of you anya nwere ntị unu ejighị anighị anya unu. Some of you can see, but because of the hatred unu achọghị ikwu nke wụ eziokwu. But like I said on my last video, if you onye ọbụla ji obi ọcha wee help gị onye na like no nwe party no buru gị n'obi, this is sincere to you from day one. Ị chọrọ iji hoja akwụ ya ụgwọ ọ chọrọ ime based on ka emekwe na ị ga-afụkwa na onye a kwa na escape kwa na-eme ha tin na-aga. Somebody was asking me why is Oge saying that na ha chọrọ Igbo before nko. It's critically clear. And if I'm him, Adimeje as any case na police station. Because o nwere ike nugoro there na o nwere ka esi detain he wuru nshinye gbuo. Ebe olileanya ndị Imo nọ na kamera si na ogbugo many people na ana Igbo no na-ereziri ndị ihe ego ndị nke okonukọcha onye pụta okwu nke ya ọ pụta ka eme ihe gbasara udo ihe kwechiri onye isi ya ka ha chọọ na street karịkịrị onye isi ya ka ha chọọ. Because all the ngwano ka ikwu all this thing in a round table. Ihe niile no under ka opugodu nke Mirabel ogoda akam case ka opugodu nke onye nke ahụ onye ji Noodles ya azụ afia ka opugodu ya na akụ. Mana ono ka ikwu nke gbasara other people ihe na kanokwa under saga. Naturally this sincere ka esettle lawyer. Okay, Oge ngwa si onye a na-ede sorry. Onye a ngwa si Oge na-ede sorry. Ngwa mee ya like this. Onye ọna na-abịa. Because na gwara m ngwa gị. Afụrụ m post utobo JPAC na asị na aka ya ayọkwu ya ma biko. Aya gị Oge nwa anwa ayo JPAC biko. Oge nwa ayo JPAC biko. Like na o disappoint gom. Oge nwa anwa apụta. When those ha na fall out, she want to feel that I went too far, but all with iwe ka njikwo ihe all out of emotion ka njikwo ihe anyị ncha wo mmadụ inwe ike iyo onye ngwa hapụzie mụ na onwe m onwe oniwe isi nkwu bacha me some certain things man be nọrọ on my own mbia na chai na fokokwem up na ms gokwem up I can't make you like this now. I can't make you like this now. Somebody like me with pride. Nga put up all say I'm sorry, but you made it in direct way. Say okay, nah, this one, that one. Maka me secret in direct way. Say okay, nah. Oh no, say them that time. Yeah, water. I ain't chat mad or no way. You know, family problem. Also, no say me say I'm enjoying all those things. Oge fili no ga pota onwe onye o mana onwe some certain things ukwu Morgan or catch a hikuya like that, but oh, you walk with it out of emotion with what you need said. Or Chishonia, sorry, good and fine. But forget it. It's just that I give out what one cool cigar. But you see, J Park in a governor, you get up, but I say, sorry. Like a man who make go more your job personally. Because as far as I'm concerned, na J Park, all this J Park, governor, okay, o sisi J Park na se ko yo ya biko na nka jime nke eme ho. O si na ọ na-akpọ ntu. Ka ezi onye ga-ayo oge biko na nke J Park kwuru na ụmụ ya wee mbe. Ụmụ ya na-eme no ya nwa gburu mpịa. Makwa ihe pụtasị na asị dimi na-ekwu na mmadụ gburu mpịa. Ọ pụta bịa yo na isi na ọ na-akpọ because na ọ sị na ị na-akpọ ntu ọ na-eme. Jike oke ị na-eme expect ka o accept all that words. Isi ano ya magburu mpia ụmụ ya wụrụ mbe ọ na-eme stripper ofu saga unu na gbasara onwe unu ọ tụzie gị bomb drag was everybody bomb ịma na atụ bomb like this ọgba o metu everybody o metuzie everywhere ndị no na-eme bambi ala nye no mko bụ bambi ala iwe agba ya Haje awake wezie people because I'm gonna no get you any oku in terms of your results ka eme nke me awake wezie people I'm gonna okay onwe some words ageji mu jidi on dalo wake wezie akponya ma mpai nke Enugu you know Mirabel nka wagafu he wori akwe n'ihu ngwa me like this me like this me like this me like this where like this Nekonye onye ihe na sponsor onye abelo dia onye a na-akpọ ndị police onye a na-eme nka I match all those things but if unu ncha niile ma ka unu ha achọ m ịkpọwa afọ unu Chineke ga-abụ unu ọnụ ma try ka m nwete luck you do at least I see some people na that day Abuja Mama nwete private contact ya ka mmadụ ka o si emezi his kezi ha na-akpọ ya manụ ma activist ka ọ wụzi ka amadị ihe m ga-akpọ ya abosef na platform ya mmazi ka oge obido dowazie biased ọ na-achịgwa m na these two different statements from Mirabel and Harrison na ọnọghị ya ọwụ na mụ anọghị ya na watch na phone nụrụ that two different statements ka maka gị nwa gị na ha nọ gị na ndị ekperima Mirabel nọ ị na-aza ka ọ na nke Harrison Mirabel si na onye orisi phone ihe wuru Noodles ya wee je re Harrison si na onye enye phone ka o je rụzie bụ ihe wuru Noodles ka ezi onye a na-ebelieve that means that ha na-asị asị and then you are not asking the right question kedu ka onye ahụ wuru ine claim na ma wuru Noodles gị nyoge kedu ka onye asị mara oge kedu connection ka ihe gbasara ihe bụ ka ihe mere onye ahụ gịnị ka mere onye ahụ onye a ji wuru Noodles gị were nyoge okay o resiri oge o na-eresi n'oge Noodles ga-asị if n'oge wuru nwoke onwe ka ọ na guy like me asị okay no nwere ike ị na-watch ya na iwodi ya na-eme some certain things o na-eresi oge no gịnị ka oge ji ka onye asị nwete contact like get connection between because ndị be ya na-ajụ the right questions ekwesịrị na-ajụ a na-adị carry the way with emotion ọ ya mere ihe ji emebi somebody like me ibere akwa bịakwute m ibechakwa bejuo m ga-ajụ gị ihe m kwesịrị ịjụ ga ndị ga-enye m that right answer m kwesịrị ịnụ then ikwete ozugbo how many years ka oge nọgo na US we bata nke ọbata how many years ka no kedu ka o si marụ ndị si na iresi phone na Nnewi asim Nnewi na relief market nke anọ na opiwe kana ko nwere relief ọzọ ofu relief ka enwe na Anambra na the ebe a na-arụcha ma phone ọzọ nke anọ na opiwe ka I was born and raised in Awada na Awada ịpụta Awada na opiwe ka na cross side eziwe ka niile ahụ opiwe ka main market onwe ebe na enwe ihe na okpoko onwe ihe ga-akọrọ m akọrọ those area kedu ka o si wee mara those people ya nwa no US since K connection, like it's not even making any sense to me. All the same person and the K where we tonya who jiworu Noodles gi we nye oge. Una no na me guru phone gi say nekwi ha ngudi achowa inye mmadu or na if at all na nji Noodles gi onwe ihe na-esebura ngudi anye we mmadu. Ke ihe mere onye ahụ ofu ọnụ ahụ ọ na-agbakọ kpaka. Okay, awụrụ m okwu a anyị ga-esogide okwu a ruo ebe o kwesịrị iru. Some of you na-asị forget hapụ n'okwu a mee nke achọghị m ebu unu ọnụ. Let me stop here because change go ka nje na-akpọ ụra. Oh, my that lady, and to deserve for help. Who deserve any help because I can help others. One no buhe widow. Onye dia nwụrụ nwanne dia kuchie ya. Ibuhe ka ị na-akpọrọ onwe gị widow. Nwanne di gị ebido kwa ebe di gị kwụsị na bịa inweta ego. Wotezie ka enye the real widows gị jụ. Ugusi na ajọ mmadụ ka ewu. Let me stop here. I'll still come on live. All mokwa. We're gonna have to get out of point. I will still come here to bring it in, to analyze it. One, Keko Simana Akuzayon Biarukbo. Because as far as I'm concerned, Akwabia Hubu, unless it's gonna Akosere Mase. Because so here and Imana Mona Kunikuna phone. Akwano the Anambra State to start with. So kiduzi ni gwaria na Kobiarukbo Webia Belugi. I think I have the video here. I have that video here. You know, say people too they do amiibo. Before you know it, have a go be send there na phone moves.
Get out, put me in Japan son through our news. Bragging. That's what I did. She's denied it. She was saying that I'm acting porn. She got the nude through her comment section where she was doing program. That was how her followers shared the nude to her. I don't know who gave her the nude. She's denied it. She don't want to say who gave her the nude. I reported the petition to Sotati Rupo. They got the woman arrested in her hotel where she lodged at Nnewi. She was bragging that only people that have money can survive. If I don't have money, I should go and face my miserable and my prostitute life. That I should continue knocking my son through our news. Now, after 4 days, they release her through a one powerful man called Akuzayo. Akuzayo came to Zotati and Bello getting. Now we're getting like.
You see, Akuzayo came to Zone 13 and Bello Gechi. As far as I'm concerned, Akwano the Anambra State, then to start with. All those things behind a feed. You guys should go and watch that interview again. And also hear the part. Ebe Lucky Osiano Onye Oresi phone. Bihe Buru the Noodles Nere or Neoge. They don't get help or harassing because they are trying to a proof point, if I should call it. They are trying to make people to believe in all this their script, all this their gang up lies. Okay, Abu Harris, no one had the case from day one. Okay, could the same thing. Maybe Harris miss a line here. Or they can Harris no miss a line here. You know, Kono Amira, the Perimamira be miss a line here. Because there was no one receive phone be here with the Noodles. I was the Harris, so no one in your phone could do zero. Kezonia is so. And that was Zion being released here. Okay. On our work with the Zion ministry. If Zion now natural he will porn. If Zion now natural he will porn. Don't worry. Get your phone on that. Let me stop here. You know, not go late, but because I have an appointment tomorrow. So let me stop here. I hope I will get lucky. I hope I will get lucky private contact. I don't know when on a live IG private contact lucky. Just send the arrow here. So that I will make her to understand something. You may observe all these things. And what happened exactly. Even though you want to make your judgment, be fair enough. You make here. And the other lady in no Abuja, I didn't I'm interested, like I said, outside the party. I didn't I'm interested, but some people are not influenced here to do what she don't want to do, or people are not influenced here, like people are kind of using her to fight their own battle. Iman onya enweghị uche, because all the ordinaka both the lady nke no Abuja ma onye nka ma mpai nke Enugu ekpere imaje park na nke ya na-akpọ dia olidanya ndị Imo are trying to use them to fight their own battle. That's what is going on now. Hana enjoy those things now to get point from Oge and Zion ministry. Ako Zion also involved. So you didn't have Hana brag, I will do it you. Nothing. All just through those people. And that lady in Abuja, Miriam, I think her name, should know that they are trying to use her to fight their own battle. Because as far as I'm concerned, I'm na call na go around. Things na go around. How may you name? You know? But I don't want to say much regarding that. Because I am interested inside in car. My friend, Birima and Cow Mirabel, all money on Facebook for Mirabel is a big Birima. As far as no go be a booze or come up, nga could be dear with my like I'm even stating the fact. It's not as if I'm lying against her. I'm stating the fact. I'm just pointing out their lies. I'm stating the fact. As far as I'm going to go be a chum media. Just here can the press in Oboda by myself or no she try by herself. All money on Facebook till tomorrow. Lock onwe ano hom na buy. All na no na buy. Ma be a pick here up. All no provide home evidence. Umu odu woman ndo cha na arachi igbu ha. Ma ebe ntara oge. Muni a ga-emeju ihe. Muni a ga-emeju ihe afọ. So let me stop here. Have a nice day. And some of you all night from your side, have a good night rest. Take care. Peace.